Welcome to Retro Computer Reviews. Today we will be reviewing the Apple Macintosh SE 800K with the dual floppy disk, but there's a catch on my model. Someone had installed a hard drive at the bottom instead of a floppy disks. So, in that case, technically this is a hard drive Mac now, but the base model would have came with two 800K floppy disks, and interestingly enough, they did have one that it had a plate going across there that covered up for the hard drive, and that was the 800K floppy and hard drive model. Let's just power this sucker on and see what we got. Now, if you go around to the back, you can see there's your buses and stuff like that. And right there next to the power switch is your power inlet. Let's just turn this on. And we are greeted with the lovely faint Macintosh sound. Now, you may see a line running down the Macintosh. This is not happening in real life. It's just a result of the camera's timing to the screen. But as we can see, we got a little mouse cursor that pops up, and then the Welcome to Macintosh sign. And then it will start loading its utilities and stuff like that. And now we are at the desktop. As you can see, here's my little mouse. And it's now loading time and all your little drop down menus. And here is Macintosh hard drive, applications, system folders, trash. Now, this is version 6, so you get the usual, what Apple is known for, which is the drop-down menu. And then, there's not really much. This is more of a clean install than anything. From there, if you look down at the keyboard, there is nothing too special about it. It's just regular keyboard with the numpad. And this Macintosh is the one that uses what's known as Apple Desktop Bus for its mouse and keyboard and stuff like that. And the mouse is rather weird. It's a weird trapezoid mouse, and uses a little ball style roller at the bottom. Now, if we look on the top, you may see something that a lot of Macintoshes may not have anymore, which is a 56K modem. And this is an aftermarket modem designed for Apples. And at the back, have a little button, your cord that runs to the peripherals, and the in and out on your modem. So, and then if you go to the back again, you'll see it has a little handle, and that was intended for easy carry. There is your ADB, or Apple Desktop Bus. You have a floppy drive, and then a SCSI. And here's where you plug in your peripherals like printer and modem. And as you can see, I have the modem hooked in right there. And there's actually a little audio jack port right at the end there. There's your power and your power switch. Now this was a little slot that someone could expand upon, and there's a little board that has a connector on it where the card would slide into that slot and connect onto the board. So you go and you go over to special and just shut down. Now it will not shut down automatically because of that switch at the back. You have to, it'll give you a prompt saying it is now safe to shut off your Macintosh, and then you reach to the back and hit that power button. Hear that hard drive spin down. But yes, this is the Macintosh SE. So, in conclusion, is the Macintosh SE a worthwhile PC for the collector? I would have to say yes, because at the time I'm making this video, you can find, mine's not the best condition, but you can find some like these that'll run you about $60 or $70 just for the bare unit. That's working. And then if you want to go more professional and get something that's real clean and no scuffs, it's got all the peripherals, everything in it, it's usually about 150, 200, and that's, you'll get booklets, printers. I've seen where they've had all kinds of stuff included with them. But yes, the Macintosh SE is a very capable machine for the average collector, and it is an Apple product, so it's only going to go up in value. So yes, that Macintosh SE is a well worthwhile machine. This has been Retro Computer Reviews, signing out.